He's got fish. Got a fish.
He was right next to us.
Yep. You have a fish. Now where are you going? What do you think you're gonna do?
You feed the fish and he comes right up to you and eats them.
Yeah. Okay, here you go. Oh no, there he is. Now he's eating his fish. See, he's a good fisher than me. Oh, he cannot eat it.
He's trying to kill it.
Yeah.
Get it turned around so he can go down his throat.
He caught the small tilapia. Why he didn't get the big one? Awesome. You got it? Oh, he's even toasted up in the air. Got it. Go on.
Wow.
Go on. Nice. Okay, get some more. Oh, he was small. Down. Okay, where are you gonna go?